Lesson check. Rotate and revolve. First, you're going to type your last name in the box here. You will now type your first name in the box here. Next, you're going to select your cycle number. Number 1. The imaginary line that passes through a planet's north and south poles on which the planet rotates is called an apex, pole, or axis. Number 2. The spinning motion of a planet on its axis is called revolve, rotate, or axis. Number 3. The movement of an object around another object is called revolve, rotate, or axis. Number 4. The path of an object as it revolves around another object is called revolve, rotate, or orbit. Number 5. It takes the Earth blank to rotate one time on its axis. 24 hours or 1 day, 1 year, or 1 month. Number 6. Earth's rotation from west to east causes tornadoes, seasons, or night and day. Number 7. It takes the Earth blank to revolve one time around the sun on its orbit path. 1 day or 24 hours, 1 year, or 1 month. Now you're going to look at figure 1. This is showing one of the ways Earth moves in space. Choose the correct movement below. Rotate, revolve, or orbit. Number 9, you're looking at figure 2. This is showing one of the ways Earth moves in space. Choose the correct movement below. Revolve, rotate, or orbit. Number 10, you're looking at figure 3 of the speed skaters. The speed skaters are demonstrating which type of movement around the rink. Hint, the rink ice represents the orbit path. Revolve or rotate. Looking at figure 4 of the chair demo. This teacher is demonstrating which type of movement. Revolve or rotate. When you are all done, double check all of your answers and you're going to select the purple submit button at the very bottom here.